Introducing the best noise-canceling headphones of 2025, a video that dives deep into the top headphones that promise to elevate your audio experience and silence the distractions of the world around you. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore cutting-edge technology, sound quality, comfort, and design to help you find the perfect pair for your needs. Whether you're a music lover, frequent traveler, or simply seeking peace in a noisy environment, our expert insights will guide you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest audio gear. Number 5. The Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones continue the legacy of excellence established by their predecessors, and they do so with remarkable finesse. As someone who has tested a variety of premium headphones, I can confidently say that the WH-1000XM6 delivers an unparalleled audio experience, making them a standout choice for music lovers and frequent travelers alike. Upon first use, the sound quality is simply breathtaking. The headphones feature Sony's advanced noise cancellation technology, which effectively blocks out ambient sounds, allowing you to immerse yourself fully in your favorite tracks. Whether you're in a bustling cafe or on a crowded train, the WH-1000XM6 creates a serene listening environment. The adaptive sound control feature intelligently adjusts the noise canceling level based on your surroundings and activities, enhancing the listening experience further. Comfort is another hallmark of the WH-1000XM6. The plush ear cups and lightweight design make them perfect for extended wear. I've worn them for hours during flights without any discomfort, a testament to their ergonomic design. The adjustable headband ensures a snug fit without being overly tight, making them suitable for all head sizes. The battery life is impressive, offering up to 30 hours of playback on a single charge. Plus, the quick charge feature provides up to 5 hours of playback with just a 10-minute charge, ideal for those on the go. Pair this with seamless Bluetooth connectivity and touch-sensitive controls, and you have a user-friendly experience that allows for easy navigation between tracks. Number 4. The Sennheiser Momentum 4 is a standout choice. After extensive testing and comparison with other premium models, it's clear that Sennheiser has once again set the bar high with this latest iteration. First and foremost, the sound quality of the Momentum 4 is nothing short of spectacular. With rich, balanced audio that caters to a wide range of musical genres, these headphones provide deep bass, clear mids, and crisp highs. Whether you're listening to classical symphonies or the latest pop hits, the audio performance is immersive and engaging, making you feel as if you're right in the studio with the artists. Comfort is another key feature of the Momentum 4. The plush ear cushions and adjustable headband ensure a snug fit without causing fatigue during long listening sessions. Whether you're working from home, commuting, or simply enjoying your favorite tunes, these headphones are designed for all-day wear. One of the standout features of the Momentum 4 is its impressive active noise cancellation, ANC. It effectively blocks out ambient noise, allowing you to focus on your music or calls without distractions. Additionally, the transparency mode lets you stay aware of your surroundings when needed, striking a perfect balance between isolation and awareness. Battery life is another area where the Momentum 4 excels. With up to 60 hours of playback time on a single charge, you can enjoy your music for days without worrying about recharging. Number 3. The JBL Tune 770NC headphones are a remarkable blend of style, comfort, and high-quality audio performance, making them an excellent choice for music lovers and casual listeners alike. These over-ear headphones are designed with active noise cancellation, or ANC, technology, allowing you to immerse yourself in your favorite tunes or podcasts without the distractions of the outside world. One of the standout features of the JBL Tune 770NC is its impressive sound quality. The powerful drivers deliver a rich, balanced audio experience with clear highs and deep bass, ensuring that every note is heard as the artist intended. Whether you're listening to classical music or the latest pop hits, these headphones provide an engaging and enjoyable listening experience. Comfort is also a top priority with the Tune 770NC. The plush ear cups and adjustable headband ensure a snug yet comfortable fit, making them suitable for extended listening sessions without causing fatigue. Weighing in at a lightweight design, they are easy to wear for hours on end, whether you're at home, commuting, or traveling. The battery life is another highlight, providing up to 35 hours of playtime with ANC turned off and around 25 hours with it activated. This makes the JBL Tune 770NC perfect for long journeys or all-day use without the need to constantly recharge. Additionally, a quick charge feature allows you to get several hours of playback from just a short charging time, adding to their convenience.
Number 2. The Bose QuietComfort Ultra takes this legacy to a whole new level. After extensive testing, it's clear that these headphones provide an unparalleled listening experience that truly sets them apart from the competition. The moment you put on the QuietComfort Ultra, you're enveloped in a world of silence. The advanced noise-canceling technology is nothing short of remarkable, effectively blocking out ambient sounds, whether you're in a busy cafe, on a crowded train, or at home trying to focus. The adaptive audio feature intelligently adjusts the level of noise cancellation based on your environment, ensuring that you always have the best sound experience. Sound quality is where these headphones really shine. With rich, deep bass and crisp highs, every note feels immersive, making them perfect for everything from classical music to hip-hop. The clarity of vocals is especially impressive, allowing you to appreciate the subtleties in your favorite tracks. Comfort is another standout feature of the QuietComfort Ultra. The plush ear cushions are designed for long listening sessions, making them ideal for travelers or anyone who spends hours enjoying their music or podcasts. The lightweight design means you can wear them without feeling fatigued, even during extended use. Additionally, the battery life is exceptional. With up to 24 hours of playtime on a single charge, you can enjoy your music, movies, or calls without the constant worry of recharging.
Number 1. The Sony WH-CH720N stands out as a remarkable choice for anyone seeking comfort, sound quality, and advanced features without breaking the bank. After extensive testing, it's clear that these over-ear headphones deliver an impressive audio experience that rivals more expensive models. First and foremost, the sound quality is exceptional. The WH-CH720N offers a balanced audio profile with rich bass, clear mids, and crisp highs, making it suitable for a wide range of music genres. Whether you're listening to classical symphonies or bass-heavy tracks, these headphones provide an immersive listening experience that enhances every detail. One of the standout features of the WH-CH720N is its impressive noise cancellation. The adaptive sound control technology intelligently adjusts the noise-canceling levels based on your environment, allowing you to enjoy your music without distractions, whether you're commuting, working, or just relaxing at home. The ambient sound mode is a nice touch too, letting you stay aware of your surroundings when needed. Comfort is another highlight of these headphones. The lightweight design and soft ear cushions make them perfect for long listening sessions. Whether you're on a long flight or working from home, you can wear them for hours without discomfort. Plus, the battery life is outstanding, offering up to 35 hours of playback on a single charge, ideal for those who are always on the go.